Hey, what's up, you guys? This is RJ here, guys. I want to jump in quick. I just want to explain you this 15 days training. A lot of people they just go for the 15 days training and they don't know what to do. So let me just try to explore everything, guys. In the 15 days training, you have the 15 days everything. Just try to book your one-on call also. And good thing about that, this legendary marketer. This live call, just try to click it and register it. So Monday to Friday you'll get the wake up legendary call 10 p.m. Eastern time. So that's a good thing about that. This is a lot of value are going to get it, guys. And look at this, all the products. Just marketer club, a lot of products are here. Try to use it. Marketers club is like a $30 a month. It's worth it. All the live calls, all the mat he's coming with a good training. So I just want to check with that, like all this. Check it, guys. If you want to apply for the affiliate, finish your 15 days training and apply for the affiliate. And once you come to the affiliate, they have a massive training about the affiliates also here. You know, so that's a good thing about that. And yes, I just want to show you one more thing, guys. Once you go to the second days, not a second day, sorry, yeah, mark this lesson and continue to the next step. In the third day you will see that this is like a 14 days free trial. Just download it 14 days, and during the training just play it. This is 1 hour videos. He's going to explain you everything, the math. And this software, just download it. And that's it, in the 15 days. And just try to watch everything, explore it, everything. That's how you're gonna learn. Most of the people, they just go for the 15 days training, and they are like, no, I mean, this is not a good training and everything. Try to watch 2 3 4 times. First time you'll not understand. I didn't understand in the first time. I still watch like a 10 times. I already watched this training. It's really worth it to watch again and again. Make a notes and learn something. And if you have any problem, talk to your advisor. Talk to your advisor. You'll get the advisor. Talk to them. Use them, support them, use them. Everything is there in your hand. So all right, that's why I just want to jump in quick, because most of the people, they don't finish 15 days training also. And they think like they just want to become a millionaire in like a, just you have to apply this practice. And you have to learn about all the social media, how you are going to drive the traffic. So this is my little bit, I just jump in because a lot of people, they complain about that this training is not good, blah blah things. I mean, like they are not, I never see anyone finish. Most of, in like 100 people, 3 or 4 people, they finish it in the training. So that's why I get surprised why they are not doing that. So if you guys need any help to start your and 15 days training, I will put the link down below, so you can start your training and go through the training. It's going to change your life, guys. Okay. Like, if you like this videos, please like it, hit the like button and subscribe it. So uh, I can make more videos, guys. Once I will launch it, you'll get some notifications. So, I mean, I'm going to make a more videos about how to make money online. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. And all right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. All right. All right.